texture. Are you ready to see them all? They're so pretty. The Silky Straight is 16 inches and the lightest colored one. All the others are 18 inches unless otherwise stated. This is the Yaki. Even if I were going to straighten my natural texture, I would probably get the Yaki because Silky would be too hard to blend. Also, I color coded them, so ones with blue tags are extremely silky and will be hard to blend with natural hair. If your hair that dries very quickly, these silkier textures are going to hold a lot of water and be harder to blend with your natural hair. So red ones are going to blend easily with natural hair textures. Next up, we have the Kinky Straight, which is like a natural, like blow dry look. I love that texture, it's so pretty. And the body wave from my vendor. My vendor does not know who I am. I always make smallish orders. That my business account is not tied to it, so they don't know who I am. They're not sending me good bundles because of who I am. So I guarantee if you order my vendor list, you will get these same amazing bundles that I get. These are the new textures. If you were gonna make locks out of these, you probably would need a lot more bundles, and I haven't yet made locks out of these. Most vendors sell different quality bundles. You wanna look for the longest hair ratio, which is what the pricing I offer in the description is for the highest quality. That's all I deal with. You don't wanna get the crappier bundles. Let's talk about hair quality. It's about longest hair ratio. More often than not, I mean, all the hair is the same basically. It's just how is it put together on the left is going to be the quality part. And if they're using healthy hairs and if they're double drawn, all these hairs have been cut from the end to ensure healthy ends, thick ends, and that is the difference between good bundles and bad bundles. Is just the longest hair proportion. Hair is hair. It should last as long as the hair on your head lasts. If it's not, it's because it's either a human synthetic blend or it's unhealthy and tangles. There's no reason your hair should not last years. This is the 3C and the 4A next to each other. My natural hair texture is actually somewhere in between. So when I do locks for myself, sometimes I mix the two textures, or I'll just choose which one I want. Here is the 4C stretch. That's actually a 20-inch bundle next to the 4B 18-inch bundle. The 4B and the 4A look very, very, very similar. The 4B is slightly shorter and fluffier. So if you're looking for curls that are going to be easier to maintain, 4A. If you want them to be a little bit fluffier and take up more space, 4B. If you have naturally 4C hair that you're trying to match, 4C. And those are all the textures. 4C, 4B, 4A. The new textures are 3B spiral curl, 3A loose curl, body wave, kinky or like blow dry straight, Yaki straight, and silky straight.